My name's Renee LaCoss. I've been working at Shelburne Farm since the fall of 2002, so 17 years. I've always known about cows, but I didn't learn about sheep until I came here. So I've been doing sheep for 8 years now. And I take care of all the moms when they have their lambs and take care of all the new babies when they're born. So we have lambs born in March and April every year. We have about 75 sheep have lambs. And sometimes I have to help them. Sometimes a lamb gets stuck because it's too big for its mom. Sometimes it's just in the wrong position and it has a leg back or the head back, and I have to correct that and help her have her baby. So we usually will fix it if needed and pull the legs to pull the lamb out of the mom. Usually the moms love their babies immediately, but sometimes you have to show them that that's their baby and help them to be a mom at first. Once she knows to be a mom, they're usually really good moms. But if she still won't take her baby, then I try to find it a new mom. If I can't find a new mom, then we feed the baby ourselves for at least 30 days. But usually I can get moms to take their babies. If nothing else, I'll put them in a pen together and give her time alone with her baby without people. And that helps a lot. Sometimes a mom will have a baby that is stillborn for some reason. And when that happens, I try to give her a bottle lamb so she can still have a baby.